The Touchless spinner wash is a fully automated drive-through truck wash system. It applies an acid-based detergent, followed by an alkaline-based detergent. These two agents react on the vehicle's surface as it drives through the wash bay. The dwell area then gives these agents time to loosen grime on the vehicle's surface before it enters the Century spinners. Century spinners deliver high-flow recycled water via a rotating nozzle assembly. This ensures decals and paintwork are not damaged, while heavy grime is removed from hard-to-reach areas, such as the underbody and lower portions of these trucks. The flow from the spinners then switches to the rear wash jets to address the rear of the vehicles. Finally, the vehicle passes through a freshwater rinse arch, removing any recycled water sediment, ensuring a gleaming finish on the paintwork and glass. For complex-shaped vehicles, like municipal fleets, a spinner wash is excellent value. It addresses hard-to-reach areas that cannot be cleaned by automated brush systems. Get in touch with Transport Wash Systems today.